Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we look at 5 important digital skills you must learn to become successful. We all know that the world is moving towards digitalization and everything happens online, starting from education to of course running a business and even marriages these days. So the need and demand for digital skills has increased immensely, giving you the opportunity to earn from it. And seeing this change, it has now become a necessity to learn digital skills. And guys, I would recommend for you all to learn all the 5 skills that I'll mention because these are some of the basics. And if not all 5, then try to focus on learning at least one of these skills and make sure that you ace it. And also some of you might think that I want to be an entrepreneur and I wouldn't waste my time on learning these skills. I would rather hire someone to perform them. Well, you're right, but when you are in the starting stage of your business, you must focus on spending your profits or income that you earn on your business rather than hiring people, because these are some of the costs that you can avoid in the early stages of your business, and make sure that you invest more in your business rather than all these additional costs. And then later, when your responsibilities towards your business grows or you really feel the need to hire someone, you can very well do that. All I'm saying is try to avoid such costs in the starting stage of your business. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first skill is graphic designing. So what is graphic designing? In simple words, it is a visual way of communicating messages. But how do they do that? They use a lot of elements like pictures, typography, colors, textures, and much more to make the designs interactive and engaging with the audience. So for example, all these posters, flyers, signages, brochures, and even magazines that you see, all this comes under graphic designing. So what happens is companies have a digital team that consists of graphic designers. These designers, they're provided with the content and the message that the company wishes to display and communicate to the audience. And sometimes they're also given a theme to work around. So based on all these things, the needs provided by the company, the graphic designer makes a suitable design. So for example, if McDonald's wants to release a new flyer for a new dish like pizza fries, then the graphic designer, he'll be given with all the information that he must add, and he knows that the flyer must be of red and yellow in color because that's what McDonald's represents. Then he'll design something accordingly with a picture of fries and the cheese oozing out of the fries, topped with exotic veggies and all these things, and then a big text saying coming soon. So this way customers, they'll easily know about the new arrival, and not only that, they'll also be tempted to try it first, right? Because that's how triggering the picture was. So that's how powerful and important graphic designing is. And one platform where you can start practicing graphic designing is canva.com. And if you want me to upload a video on how to use Canva, then please type learn Canva in the comment section below. The second skill is video editing. So basically video editing is designing a video by creating a story around it, and you use various combination of elements like footages, colors, typography, symbols, all these things, and there's a lot more. And all these YouTube videos, advertisement, movies and television shows that you see, all these use video editing, and even social media requires video editing. I'll tell you how that is related in the next point. And guys, just for your clarification, video editing is more than just compiling footages. Like I said before, there are a lot of other elements involved. So for someone who knows video editing on a basic level, like compiling videos and cropping them, I would suggest them to upgrade their skills even more. And the ones who don't know these basics, it's totally fine. You can learn it from scratch as well. Now, there are different types of video editing, guys, like linear video editing, non-linear editing, and there's much more. So you can look into all these types of video editing and choose the one that you feel you're most interested in, and you can learn that. So if you're planning to start a YouTube channel and want to learn video editing for that, then you can use this software called Filmora. It is a really good software, especially for beginners, guys. And others, you can use it for practicing as well. And it really helps you to make good, proper, legit videos. So you can try that. So I'll add this in the description. You can check it out there. The third skill is social media management. Now, we all know that there is an increase in use of social media, right? And a major part of the generation is present on social media, and everything almost depends on it, starting from talking to our friends to understanding all the activities and the news going around the world. So seeing this, companies, they have increased their social media presence, and they carry out some of their best public relation activities exclusively using social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, and much more. This has given them to target a worldwide audience. So now all these activities have led companies to create an entirely new department in their companies, which is called social media management. So yeah, basically they try to increase their number of followers, create new trends, advertise through various influencers, release their ad campaigns, and do much more using social media. So here you'll have to know the in and out of social media and how it works. So for example, when the reel feature had newly come, let's say the social media managers, they had to keep an update about it. They had to understand how to use it. And this is the video editing part that I was referring to in the previous point. So you'll have to come up with various strategies on how to increase your followers and likes, and how to keep the audience engaged. So basically you're using social media to connect and engage with a large number of audience. And an important thing that you must always keep in mind is that you'll have to keep an eye on the recent trends. Every day there is a new trend on social media, and every day the audience wants something interesting to watch, and so you'll have to make sure that you keep up with that, so that the audience does not go through boredom, and you give them the content that they like, that is the content that they wish to watch. The fourth skill is website designing or mobile application. We all know what a website is, right? But a website is also something that needs to be designed and regularly updated and developed. And there's a high demand for this as well. And not only for website, but also for mobile application. We all use mobile apps, right? Because mobile, it has now become a necessity, and it is the easiest form of communication. Like they say, mobile is the new television, right? So there are two major things that every company has these days for its customers' easy reach, and that is social media account and a website or a mobile application, which is why there is a high demand for it, and it is also essential for you to learn in case you're planning to start a business. So basically websites and mobile applications, they are used so that customers can easily view information about the company or place orders for the products that they want. And this is another form of engagement and interaction which is used by companies. Here you'll need to learn some basic coding, and you'll have to have some basic knowledge of programming languages like HTML, Java, CSS, and there's a lot more. But in case you don't know coding and you're not interested in it, then it is still fine, because what some companies do is they have a team where the programmer does the coding part and then graphic designers do the creative part. So you can opt for something similar. And if you don't want a team, then nowadays there are a lot of free and paid softwares like Wix.com that provides you with ready-made layouts, and all you need to do is add information, beautify the website as per your likings. So this will be something suitable in case your company is at the starting stage. And guys, Wix also gives you insights on your website, what are the parts that you can improve, all these things. So this is a good one, especially for beginners. And one tip I would like to add here is that anyone who is planning to design an app or a website, one thing you should make sure is that make the application or the website easy to use, that is user friendly, and it must have an easy navigation. so that it is not complex for your customers to use. Otherwise, customers might just end up not liking the website, which will decrease your website traffic. So always make sure that your website is easy to navigate and it is user friendly. The fifth skill is digital marketing. Now, as I mentioned earlier, companies are also going digital because of this shift in the digital era. And to promote their products and services, companies depend a lot on digital marketing. They try to understand how to get the most value for money using broadest range of network, and social media presence is just a part of it, but not the only digital marketing strategies that is used by a company. Digital marketing, it uses a wide range of tools like analytics, social media marketing, content marketing, SEO, user experience design, and much more. They use this to provide customers with a more personalized content and information for their customers. So, for example, let's say you're going through a website on Google and then suddenly an ad pops up regarding weight loss. This is also digital marketing. They are known as pop-up ads, which appear because of search engine optimization, that is SEO. You might have googled about weight loss and that's why you are seeing this ad now. This is a detailed topic, guys. So if you want me to create a video on it, then just type digital marketing in the comment section below and I'll create a video on it. So you can start off by learning the basics of digital marketing, and there are some free certification courses and uncertified courses as well. And Google also provides some courses on digital marketing. You can learn through them as well. So where can you learn all these skills from? There are a lot of free and paid courses available online. And if you watched our previous videos, you would know this website called udemy.com. And there is another website called coursera.com, which is also a really great website. You'll find courses related to all these topics on both these websites, which is available for various levels of learning, that is beginner, intermediate, and even advanced level. I'll add the link of these course websites in the description below. You can check it out there. And of course, another source of learning is YouTube videos. You can begin by watching them as well to gain more knowledge regarding the topic that you're most interested in. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you've understood the importance of learning digital skills. And before leaving, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.